I'm going to show you a cheap and easy way to make use of that little weird cubby hole in the back of your Jeep XJ. Okay, today I got this cool package in. It's from our friends at Dirtbound. It is a MOLLE rack for this. So I ordered these MOLLE storage panels for the Jeep XJ, and I ordered the one for the back window, and I got one for the little cubby hole. Looks like they even sent me a little bomb symbol there and a sticker. So we're going to put them on the Jeep XJ, and let me show you how that's done. All right, so the first step, I'm going to open this up and pull out this cubby hole device here, and we're going to paint it up. Okay, with this rear cubby hole device here, they sent me the actual device, just some regular little self-tapping sheet metal screws, a free bomb emblem. I guess that's their emblem. Not really sure. Oh, that's a bottle opener. Okay, so that's free. I'm not sure what else it does. And then a cool sticker. So the first thing I want to do is wax and grease this, meaning, use some wax and grease remover. This stuff here, and I will wipe it down, and then I will spray some of this self-etching primer on it. Okay, so now that I've got it sprayed with some self-etching primer, I'm going to use this acrylic gloss lacquer to paint it, and then I'm going to clear coat it. All right, now I've got it painted up. Primed, painted, and clear coat. It's all shiny and hopefully durable. Let me show you what I'm going to do with it. So this little cubby panel here in the back of your XJ is kind of a wasted space. I'm not really sure the purpose of that and why they even put it there. Maybe to increase their cubic feet interior so they could get a little bit more in advertisement. But there's a few things that are made for this that you can get online. One is a little bag that screws in here. If I put stuff in a bag, I kind of forget it's there. And the other is one of these little cubby things. So this actually goes right here, and then you can store some stuff in there. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, this cubby kit comes with obviously the unit, not painted, but it also comes with this little hardware kit. Now look, basically all this is like some cheap sheet metal screws. So I think what I'm going to do is use this Harbor Freight plastic rivet kit, drill some holes and actually rivet it in. And the kit, the rivets that come with the hardware don't fit it, but if you buy this separate little kit, this one right here fits perfectly. So I'm going to try that first. So if you're going to use a hardware kit or these screws that it came with, you want to start with a really little hole like this 1/16. But I'm going to use this rivet, so it needs to be about the size of that hole. So this is a 7/32 drill bit. So the first thing I want to do is get this about where I want it. Then I'm going to mark the holes right there with this marker and drill them. Now for what everyone hates doing, drilling into their vehicles' plastic parts. Okay, I did one of the rivets off camera. That's what it looks like. To me, it gives it a much cleaner look than a screw. You can always go back and put a screw in it. I mean, this panel's easy to come off if you ever even needed to bolt it up. So now I'm just going to level it up, and I'll show you how that plastic riveter works. All right, got the hole drilled. Then you get your little riveting tool here. Take your plastic rivet, put it in there, just like that. And if you barely push down on it, it'll hold the rivet. So I'm going to, I feel it. It grabbed the rivet. I'm going to take it and put it in the hole, just like that. And then you just keep squeezing until it breaks it off, like that. Very clean look, very, very sturdy. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the other two now. All right, so that's the final product. Got the rivets installed. It's good and sturdy. And now you can make use of that cubby hole. So And you've got this nice little MOLLE attachment stuff here. Now, the other video I'm going to show you is I bought the big panel to go along this window. Now, the big panel we are not going to put in with plastic rivets. We're going to put in with some screw anchors, and I'll show you that in another video. So, I hope you found this video informative and helps you make a great buying decision. Thanks.